Hello everyone. We're all living in times that have brought us to reimagine the world we work, the world we live, the way we interact and how we run our lives. My name is Anil Ramiah. I'm the Partner Manager for Middle East and North Africa for SUSE Software Solutions, along with my colleague.
My name is Ahmed Shawki. I'm Pre-Sales Lead for EMEA East Region.
Okay, today we're going to walk you through some ideas and examples of how we at SUSE are helping companies lead during these challenging times. Ahmed, welcome to the Ingram Micro Partner Event 1 2020.
Thank you, Anil, and thanks for our partner ecosystem. It's a pleasure to be with you today.
Okay, first things first, Ahmed. How do we pronounce a company's name? Is it SUSE, SUSE, SUSE? What is the right pronunciation?
Actually, it's quite a tricky one because most of the people get it wrong initially. But when you know where it is coming, it's actually a German acronym of the name Software und Systementwicklung, which represents software and system development, and these are the initials part. And we have been like a worldwide company focused on open source solutions and needs for our customers. So
Fantastic.
the right pronunciation is SUSE.
Okay, now I got the pronunciation right, SUSE. Okay, now what does SUSE do?
Okay, so interestingly, we were the first open source software vendor for enterprise to deliver an operating system with a history spanning more than 28 years of innovation. We were there back to 1992 based on Nuremberg in Germany. And just to simplify, our mission with SUSE is that we connect the right dots, the right people, the right ideas to help our customers and ecosystem to move forward. So this is what we call actually the power of many. This is how SUSE is built, how SUSE is operating, and how we partner with you for your digital transformation.
Okay.
Now for you, Anil, when we speak about open, what comes to your mind actually?
Yeah, that's a good point. When open for SUSE just does not mean open source software. It's more a business model. It's a culture. We leverage our Linux heritage, which you spoke about for over 28 years. We deliver truly open source solutions, flexible business practices, no enforced vendor lock-ins, and exceptional service and support that digital transformation projects need. Our commitment to open source technology means adapting and making it dependable with highly flexible solutions that are hardened and secure for the most demanding IT environments.
I couldn't agree more that as we have seen today that open source is becoming the backbone of digital innovation. True. So who could think years ago that Microsoft now is one of the largest contributor to open source project?
Very true.
So actually open source is in our DNA. This is how we help our customer to, and we lead the forefront of innovation. Quick example of that, our customer has a pain of bringing the services down frequently due to security vulnerability patching. And SUSE teams in SUSE Lab stand for this, and we develop a unique piece of technology allowing our customer to stay secure as well as available for their services, and we're still unique on that today.
Okay, you spoke about open source, you spoke about open source products. There are also open source a lot of projects for which SUSE is a member of. Now, what are the keywords that our partner sales, pre-sales people need to keep their ears open for and then contact us?
So actually it's quite tricky because most of open source names in terms of project are quite different, I would say. But just to name few for them, so Linux, which is the most commonly and widely used open source project that everybody is contributing to. To add to the list, I would say containers, Kubernetes, Docker, digital transformation, anything related to that, Ceph, Cloud Foundry, all of these are relevant open source projects that we have value to add for you and your customer too.
Oh, very good. Thanks, Ahmed. Ahmed, when we land on a landing page at SUSE.com, there we mention that we help enterprises solve business critical solutions. So what are the solutions that we solve for customers through our products and services?
So if I want to categorize them in three major parts, I would say run your critical workloads, something like SAP, where we enable your teams to easily deploy, manage, maintain such critical workloads, allowing you to achieve better serviceability. Our customer take it to 5 nines, even 6 nines availability. The second part is around innovation in container landscape and adoption not only on on-premise technology but hybrid cloud, multi-cloud as well. And the last part is around the new trends to re-innovate and our businesses around AI, machine learning, high performance computer with our accelerator packs from SUSE.
Fantastic, fantastic.
So I think I've give a brief introduction about SUSE solutions. So since you are speaking to our partner community today, I have seen in social media things about SUSE One Partner Program. Can you tell us more about it?
Oh, that's very exciting, Ahmed. I'll be very happy to share that about the new SUSE Partner Program. It's called SUSE One, with the tagline of the power of many together as one, which is a re-Christian SUSE Partner Program. SUSE One Partner Program is a tiered channel program which has got 3 tiers: silver, gold, platinum, and it's across 7 specializations. The specializations are embedded, innovate, build, sell, manage, service, and train. So basically handling the entire partner ecosystem, whether it is resellers like most of Ingram partners are today, to training partners, to cloud service providers, to independent hardware vendors, to embedded partners, to ISVs. So it basically covers the whole thing across three tiers. The channel partners who are not already registered with SUSE, they start off as a silver partner, where they get access to the SUSE partner portal. Once they access the portal, they have access to a plethora of content, whether it's product information, sales plays, trainings, and then they have to take certifications to move up the channel hierarchy. Then you become a gold partner, then you move up to becoming a platinum partners. Once you go up to a gold and platinum partner, you get a lot more rebates and incentives as a partner. The reason for revamping our channel partner program is to ensure that our partnership is equitable, profitable, and successful for both us and for our partners.
I believe that's very important, and I also heard that we have some news around deal registration process.
True. Now that's the most exciting part of this. Now, deal registration is for gold and platinum partners of SUSE who register their deals on partner portal. Okay, they're eligible for deal registration incentives. Now, most channel programs by most vendors are typically back-ended in the sense that rebates are provided for achieving certain milestones, whether for hitting targets, breadth of customers, depth of products, etc., etc. What we have done is we revamped the entire deal registration process, and made it very simple. SUSE's gold and platinum partners, for every deal they register on a partner portal, there's a minimum requirement of at least 10K deals, deals with a value of greater than 10K. They get an upfront discount. So it's an upfront discount, and then additions, there are very attractive back-end rebates. Now the back-end rebates are, for a multi-year deal, subscription deal, whether it's a competitive takeout deal, selling on certain SUSE categories or on containers or on storage, net new logos, etc., etc. So in totality, the upfront discounts combined with the back-end rebates could add between 12 to 14% to the bottom line of SUSE Gold and Platinum partners.
40%.
40%, sir.
Wow, that's cool. But actually, this happens when we close business. What about we bring business to close first? How we help our partners in business development?
Yeah, no, that's something. We also have a fantastic partner marketing program. At SUSE, we believe that successful partnerships are the cornerstone of our ecosystem, and collaborating on joint marketing initiatives with the partners is essential for a long-term sustainable success. So we rely on our partners to reach out to new audiences and to rapidly increase market exposure and market breadth. Now, some of the examples of our joint marketing events which we have done with our partners include customer roundtables, technology workshops, campaigns, digital marketing, demo programs, POC, etc., etc. For our platinum partners, we run a minimum of 1 marketing event per quarter for the platinum events. If you want more details, we have a marketing manager, Nadia, who's based out of the Dubai office. She will be more than willing to share details about how we work with our partners in marketing activities.
Yeah, that's I believe very interesting part.
Yeah. So we spoke about the partner program. We spoke about the deal registration portals. We spoke about marketing. One of the things which I mentioned, Ahmed, was about certifications to move up the channel hierarchy. So how do partners enable themselves? What sort of trainings do we help our partners for them to move up the channel hierarchy?
So I would say from my experience that the best way to learn and enable our partner ecosystem is meeting on field. So we take on-field cases, real customer scenarios, and engage together. So once you access or you become a SUSE partner and work with us, you have access to our field resources from sales, pre-sales, consultancy. All our POC kits would be available for you and your customer. Nevertheless, we also have our on-demand learning paths for all our field resources as well, with a very exciting certification program for the technical people.
Okay. Ahmed, can you just speak a little bit about any customer references where we won certain deals with our partners in the region?
It's actually hard to take names, especially in our region, because if you can imagine that, let's say for SAP HANA Business, we own like more than 90% of market share, and for all SAP on Linux, we have 70% market share of that. Things like HPC, high performance computing, in the paid Linux market, we own more than 50% of that market. So we really have quite big names here in the region. References are available upon request, I would say.
90 plus percentage of HANA workloads running on SUSE.
Yes.
That's a fantastic number. Okay, Ahmed, the recent past there's been a lot of buzz about new SUSE acquisition, Rancher Labs. Can you throw some light on that, please?
It's actually an incredible moment for the industry and for SUSE, like two open source leaders joining forces together, and we are now forming the largest independent organization dedicated exclusively for digital transformation. Rancher has been recognized as the leader for their container management platform and their solution. And by combining the strengths from SUSE and Rancher, we believe that we will serve our customer better and take that market to totally new dimension. Even IDC is expecting, and most of the researchers, that the mixture of workloads between virtual machines and container will still be there, and our vision to allow the smooth transition and consistent experience from core to edge to cloud with these solutions.
I also heard that Rancher is also a part of Gartner's Magic Quadrant as a leader, right?
Yes,
when it comes to container management.
Yeah, true. They are positioned in the leader quadrant for Gartner.
Okay. Now, just can you summarize briefly about how SUSE's products, services, solutions can help large enterprises, please?
So if I want to sum it up, I would say we help our customer to simplify how they run their business today, bringing costs and time consumed down. The second part would be about modernization of their business processes. And the last one would be about acceleration, the digital transformation journey with our set of solutions.
Okay.
So just few: simplify, modernize, and accelerate.
Okay.
And speaking about benefits, so this was for our customers. What could be the benefits for our audience today, our partner ecosystem, Anil?
Very good point. This is my call to action where I speak to the partners, the Ingram micro partners. What you need to do is, if you're not already a partner of SUSE, get onto the SUSE partner portal at partner.suse.com. Register to be a SUSE partner. Once registered, add other sales and pre-sales technical people in your organization could get access to the portal. Go through the plethora of learning materials there to take up certifications to move up the channel hierarchy. Moving to being a gold and platinum partner is where you will see actual benefits in terms of your partnerships. It adds a lot of dollars to the bottom line and also get a lot of leads from SUSE.
Okay, very interesting.
Thank you very much, Ahmed, for your time, and to all the Ingram Micro partners for your attention. SUSE wishes you and your team the very best. Please stay safe. Thank you all for watching Ahmed and me. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.